Good morning, beautiful souls. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We made it, guys. We made it. Happy Friday. Yay. Let's rock and roll. Hopefully everyone is doing well on the other side, guys. Maryland, we almost was home. 3804. Written down was 3604. Still consider some of these numbers, not trying to cloud you up. All right, still consider 6542. That's a fast number in Maryland. All right, so if you have a few coins you would like to spend, make sure you keep it in. Just go ahead and run it for a week. Don't keep running, back and forth to the store, guys. Maryland, we had 802. All right, it's a very familiar number. Of course, everybody should know that by now. 802, guys. Simply a total of 10. All right, so we're going to try to find that this morning. I'm not going to be before you too long. And I think I might have it right here, guys. You know what this is, the Malungo's Magic Window, guys. Still reviewing and studying some of these in and outs with this thing. And I think I pretty much might have it down packed. All right, I'm not saying that I'm a genius in this, but I'm looking at a few of these numbers, guys. And if you just had the patience enough, to study this, this is a good piece of tool to have, guys. 802, of course, let's go ahead up here a little bit because, let's see. Oftentimes when you see 802, guys, I always mention, make sure you just play 911. All right, these numbers are simple. 802, you have 911 over top of it. Then you just have 357. So those states that just had 357, consider playing 802. All right, here it is right here. You're looking at it. Go ahead and screenshot this. Everybody should have a full clip of this Malungo's Magic Window right now, whether you ordered it or not. You have a phone. You could screenshot this. You can screenshot these numbers, so you can have them. Whenever you choose to look at them. So with that being said, 802. All right, 802 right here, slanted across. And what you're looking at right now, you have 235 right underneath it. 235. Before I even line this thing up, we're just going to look at a few numbers. I like 1, 2, 3, 5. It's pretty much 2, 3, 5, but you see the 1 is always tagged onto it. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 5. You should have it a few times here. 3, 2, 1, 5. 5, 3, 2, 1. I think it's over here somewhere. 2, 5, 3, 1, 2. So either Maryland, we can be looking at 5, 3, 1. We can go ahead and say 1, 2, 3, 5. If you have a few dollars, go ahead and combinate that number, man. You never know. You never know what can go on today. Today is Friday. Hopefully for some it's payday. You can get you some of your Christmas money back. All right, we're gonna go ahead and line this thing up at 802 right here. Always, this little bullseye goes right in between your second number and your drawing. Meaning we had 802 in Maryland, so go ahead and just stick this right here. All right, and here are you some numbers. All right, so here are some numbers once again. Okay, where are we going to go with this today? Where are we going to go? Like I said, I like 2, 3, 1, 5 way before I lined it up. Today is the 22nd, guys. You know your numbers, right? Date sums 2, 0, 7s, and 4s. I don't know the sums right now. You know that your sums probably can be some 21 and some 22. So, triple sevens can be a factor. And how can you add up, and get a sum of 22? All right. Can you go, what's that, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20? Can you go 994 today? And don't forget, 7 represents, you can go, 7 plus 3 is 10, right? So you already have a 10 there with 1 7. Another 7 is 10, right? So you already have another 10. So I'll say triple sevens rule today. Triple sevens rule. You can go 772. I like that. I like that number in Maryland today as well, guys. If you look at your history, you notice that number, it does come out in December. I actually hit it maybe a few years ago, box. So with that being said, guys, go ahead and screenshot this. If you're in Maryland, share it with a friend, please do. And Here it is right here, 2074. These are the date sum digits right here, 2074, guys. Don't sleep on that number when you see it. However you see it in your workout, play it, you know, play it. 1025 once again. It looked very busy. 1025, got it a few times. 1025. Okay, Maryland 211. Got a lot of sevens over here. 776. 776 once again. That's pretty much 212. All right, so guys, with that being said, guys, have a beautiful day, man, and God's willing, you will hear from me tomorrow, or I'll just give myself a break, man. So because it's nothing, you know, I'm pretty much saying the same thing every day, and you know, I don't have no, you know, magical new rundowns or no new what I talk about, man, is the same old song. So you know, until I have something new to talk about, which I don't think it's nothing else to talk about. You know, you got your date sum digits, you have this. I mean, at least I have it. This is what I share. And, you know, whatever else you might add to your program. So with that being said, guys, that's it and that's all, man. Peace out, much love.